Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In today's video we will learn what is event driven programming with the help of Visual Basic 6. If you are not familiar with Visual Basic 6, then go to my website akband.webs.com. You will find the movie with the introduction of Visual Basic 6. Then you will know what is the basics of Visual Basic. The program which I have made in that movie is the same here. It is the coding screen. Now we are going to learn what is the event with the help of Visual Basic 6. In our coding screen we can see there are different events in our program we can use. Now I want to make a program. Whenever I click on this button in runtime, the text of this text box will change. Double click on the button. On this click event I am programming text1.text is equal to akband.webs.com. This is the website name. It's mean this is the event. This is the name of the button. You can see when I select this button here in the properties window, I can see the name of the control is command1. Now double click on it to insert the code. Text1 is the name of text box which I have made in our program, and after dot is the property of text1. It's mean the text property of text1 will be changed whenever the command1 will click. There are different programs, there are different events we have in Visual Basic, such as drag drop, drag over, got focus, key down, key press, key up. We will check some of them in our program. Now our program will run on the click event. When I click on play button, here's the program. So it's nothing happen whenever I click on this button. The code runs which I have written. See, it's not running the code when I run the program. See, I have run the program, but it doesn't run the code which I have written in the program. The code will run when I click on this button. It's mean the code is working on when the event is driven. That's why it's the event driven programming language. If I change the event as got focus, I have a new now I can type the code for got focus event. See, got focus, it's mean when we select with the tap or with the click, and whenever the text box will get focus with the tab key or click, then it write this. And when I click the command button, when the command button will get focus, then it will write Faizan in the text box. And when the command button is clicked, it will I should put this code in a text box. Exactly. I am double clicking on text box. I am removing this and command text box 1. I am changing its change property to got focus. When the text box will get focus, then it will write this code. Then we'll run this code. Okay, when I play, because it has the focus in the start, that's why it run the code. When I click, it is it it runs the code which is in the click event. And when I'm now going to press the tab key, when I press the tab key, the text box got the focus, that's why it run the code which is in the got focus. So it's not running the code when I play, it run the code according to events which we have here. So these type of language is event driven primary language, as compared to the non-event driven primary language such as C, simple C, or Visual Basic, or GW Basic. It runs the code line by line when we start our program, but in Visual Basic it run the code when the event is driven. That's why we say it's the event driven primary language. So this is a small tutorial. Visit my website for all of the different tutorials, recommendedwebs.com. Thanks for watching this video.